Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can reset Fisher Paykel dishwasher. So the first thing, press and hold the button decorated with the key and lock image for 5 seconds. Press the power button, turn off buffer, then wait a few minutes and then press the power button to restore the power. And turn off and unplug the dishwasher if the issue remains. And what you want to do is just like unplug it or turn off the circuit breaker for 5 to 10 minutes and then just turn the circuit breaker back off, and that's pretty much how we're gonna do it.